part 2 of doing the MTD Lawnflite. Hope you like, share and subscribe.
Right then. Right, we're going to start off with what we've done today is rewired the thing. So, right, where to start with all this spaghetti of wire? So, first of all, that is the cut-off switch. So when the engine started, you just flick that and it cuts it off. And then we've got, where have I put it? Button start. Just cheap one from Maplins. So first of all, right, let's sort out the killing of the machine. So I've got the switch there, and that runs into two earths. It's always going to be earthed. It is. So you've got the switch down there, I don't know if you can see, just about there's a switch. Then that runs off down here, one wire does, to there. And originally, that wire then runs all the way to your front by your spark plug, but you can't see it because I put that back on. That's the one side. And the other side of the kill switch, as you can see, is this blue wire here, which runs all the way down there, when it goes onto the earth down here, and that's earthed it just there. Need to put some cabling out there. Right, so that's the shutting off of the machine. Then what I've done is this wire coming out of the machine. This is to start it. So I've kept the original connector there. That white wire is if you want to run lights or anything. So I've kept that on. Kept it a bit of length just in case I want to rewire the front lights. So, right, we've got this red wire which runs. Red wire runs into this yellow cable, which is that one. Which, hang on 1 second. Put it down. Just connect the switch up as it should be. Right, and that runs to the one side of. Runs to one side of the switch, as I said. And then the other wire, which is this one, which I finished putting in yet, runs from the switch, which plugs into there, like that, to on your solenoid to the bottom there. Just need to connect it up so it switches onto there. Right, so that's starting. And then you've got this big, thick, chunky wire, goes all the way down to the starter, as you can see. And then we've got this red wire, which is your battery terminal. And then this other red wire, which we told you about earlier, also goes in to the same one on the starter to start it. So, and all you have to do, that goes back onto there, and that earths the solenoid once it's back onto there. I'm not going to move it because I'm not really going to be doing anything too watery with it, but if you was taking it off road or something, doing something which you're going to be entailing a lot of water, the best place to mount this is as high as possible. It's like somewhere up here, probably a good idea if you can go for deep water, because otherwise you can have little electrical grumblings to deal with. Then you've got the black as well. So yeah, that should be it for the wiring, and we'll test fire it in a moment. And what I've also had to do, because I did put a bit of fuel in, I had to buy some more 6mm hose for there, because as you can see, the old one was quite perished. I'm going to focus in. There you go, quite perished. So, got a new piece there. Only $3.99 from Alfred's. And it come with a lot of it. So that's where I'm up to at the moment. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. Thank you. Well, as you can see, we have started. So what we're going to do now is take it for a ride. And now the tyres are totally flat and shot, but I need to order some new ones, so I'm just going to take it for a quick test out there.